Uber drivers are quitting left and right. Lyft drivers join them. It's crushing me. Tampa Bay Uber drivers feel the sting of record high gas prices. Uber and Lyft are both struggling to hire both drivers and delivery drivers. So, and they're cutting back on hiring employees, which in my opinion, what they should do, probably pay drivers a little bit more, give them weekly bonuses so that they can continue making money given the price of gas right now. Which, by the way, if you've been deactivated by any of the gig platforms, there's a company that is helping drivers get reactivated. Use our referral code linked down below. Uber drivers are feeling the sting of soaring gas prices after the price per gallon jumped 6 cents overnight. AAA said drivers in Florida are paying $4.53 per gallon at the pump. That's the highest price ever recorded. Well, lucky for you in Florida, you don't got taxes over it. Do they pay tax in Florida? Is that Texas? I don't know. $4.53 a gallon out in Florida. Here in California, it's at least $6. If you find anywhere paying under $6, consider yourself lucky. You're having the best day of your life if you're paying $4.53 here in California. The rides are just lower and lower every time you turn the app on, said Kevin Tabor, a Tampa Bay area Uber driver. Tabor said he's seeing less profits than ever before and feels robbed by Uber. Do you feel robbed by Uber? I never used to see rides that pay under $4 a minimum ride, and now you're still seeing rides that are paying like $3.98, he said. Some of the rides are paying less than a gallon of gas. Tabor said this is a small cut compared to when he first started driving for Uber 6 years ago and made 80% of the ride fare. It's completely murdering me, said Tabor. It's crushing me. In my situation, when you're out working 10 to 13 hours a day, I don't have time to wait 25 minutes at Sam's Club to save 15 cents. Uber's temporarily charging riders a fuel surcharge 55 cents in the Tampa Bay area. The rideshare app said that money is going directly to the drivers. Uber told News Channel 8 drivers in Tampa are not paid on a commission basis. It's calculated based on what goes into the drivers earn on a trip, base fares, estimated trip length, and duration and surge pricing. I don't really see where that surge charge is going. Tabor said he isn't feeling any relief. He spends up to $200 a week on fuel. With the 6-cent jump in gas overnight, Tabor said the extra fee does not cover the rise in gas prices. Uber does, however, show how much drivers will earn on a trip before accepting it. As long as drivers continue, people don't understand that we have a way to change what is that way, but you have to get enough people to just say no. Yeah, they've tried time and time again to gather all the drivers and turn off all the apps. Doesn't work. There's still people out there who need to pay their rent. There's still people out there who need to eat food, and they're gonna be driving whether or not, you know, all these people want, oh yeah, let's just not drive for a day. Well, it's like, well, some people need that money. We all know people are doing the cash out every single day. It's like, they're driving, cashing out, then using that money to go buy McDonald's for their family for dinner. Uber also said it continues, which is just so sad that that's actually a reality. Uber also said it continues to see an increase in drivers on its platform, with April being the best month ever in terms of active drivers since March 2020. Since March 2020, that was a time where there was hardly any drivers. So comparing that to that day, I mean, you're comparing it to like literally the worst time in your company's history, if you remember what was going on in March 2020. So anyways, my friends, that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care. There's been other episodes of Rideshare Hub. Check out the links below. If you've been deactivated and need to get reactivated, check out the helpful links in the description box, which may be able to help you. You can use our referral code for a discount. Take care. Bye now.